Hey everybody, I'm going to make popcorn out of the microwave with PC temperature popcorn maker. This is actually a measuring cup. You can measure out the corn to the top. Just pour in there. You don't have to use butter or you don't have to use oil. Let's put that in. Take this lid on top. I'll show you the bottom for you. See, that's how it is. It's just a cut of corn on the bottom. You just put the lid on it, like so. Me. Still learning this stuff by myself. There we go. Take this. You can also put butter. See, it has a hole on the bottom. You can put butter in here or oil. For me, I'm not going to put nothing in it. So I'm going to just put this on top. Depending on your microwave, with mine, I put it in there for 2 minutes. And you keep cooking until you start hearing the popping. So start at 2 minutes. Well, I'm going to start with 3 minutes, see how it goes. And when you start hearing popping, you just make it go slow. I'll be making homemade popcorn in a piece of Pampers popcorn maker with a healthier way to make popcorn instead of store-bought. Just buy the cut of corn in store. You can do it anywhere. Got mine at Free Line. This is the second time I cooked popcorn, so it still does a lot. One minute and a half. I haven't heard it popping yet. I see it popping now. So we start hearing popping about almost a minute and a half. Yeah, a minute and I hear it popping. I see it popping. We got 20 seconds. I smell the popcorn now. Take about, depending on your microwave, about 2 to 3 minutes. Usually I put butter on it myself, and I'm going to just eat it plain. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night.